Hey everyone, welcome back to Career Q. If you're struggling to land interviews, today's video will change the way you apply for jobs. Wonsulting AI is an all-in-one job search automation tool that does everything for you. Builds your resume, writes personalized cover letters, finds recruiter emails, sends cold emails automatically, prepares you for interviews. You are still manually applying for jobs in 2025, wasting hours fixing your resume, writing cover letters, and searching for recruiters? Let me tell you something. AI can do all of that for you, faster and better than you ever could. Today, we're talking about Wonsulting's AI tools, a complete job search automation system that builds resumes, writes cover letters, finds recruiters' emails, and even cold emails them directly. It's like having a job hunting assistant that works 24/7. Let's break it down. In this first, Wonsulting AI builds your resume in minutes. You just enter your job title, skills, and experience, and the AI generates a perfectly formatted, ATS-friendly resume. It automatically optimizes keywords to match job descriptions. Next, we have the AI cover letter generator. And trust me, this is a game changer. Instead of writing the same cover letter over and over, AI customizes it based on the job description. This feature eliminates writer's block and ensures you send a cover letter that stands out. Now, this is where things get interesting. AI finds recruiters' emails for you. Instead of applying through job portals and waiting weeks for a response, you can reach out directly to hiring managers. The AI searches LinkedIn, company websites, and databases to find verified email addresses. You don't have to do any manual searching, it's fully automated. This is how people bypass the competition and land interviews fast. Cold email automation. AI sends emails for you. Okay, so now you have the recruiter's email. But what do you say? Don't worry. Wonsulting AI writes and sends personalized cold emails for you. Finally, once you get an interview, Wonsulting helps you prepare with AI-powered practice sessions. It generates realistic interview questions based on the job description. It gives instant feedback on your answers, what to improve, what's working. You can even record your responses and compare them to ideal answers. If you get nervous before interviews, this tool makes sure you're 100% prepared. If you want to automate your job search and get more interviews, Wonsulting AI is a must-try. What do you think? Would you trust AI with your job applications? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, hit like, share, and subscribe. And turn on notifications for more job search hacks using AI. See you in the next one.